Hello, I want to showcase a project that was used as part of our training in our Second Suite's Profit Formula Masterclass. This property was purchased a year ago in Scarborough and has been entirely renovated from top to bottom with a legal second suite. Location is great as it's very close to the Warden subway station. The difference with this project was that the homeowners decided to sell the property as opposed to holding it and renting it out. So let's have a look at the numbers. Before that, if you could hit the like button and subscribe, that would really help us out and you will definitely get more content like this. Thanks very much. The house was purchased for $750,000 and there was approximately $150,000 spent on renovating the main floor as well as the legal basement suite. It was then put on the market in August 2020 and sold for $1.07 million, a difference of $320,000 from the purchase price. Now, we always recommend to our clients to hold the property if possible, but there may be other reasons where it makes sense to sell the property as well. If you're interested in working with the team that was responsible for this project, you can reach out to Donnie and Blaine at Team Mangoes at Keller Williams. Their website is www.teammangoes.com. They are definitely specialists when it comes to the east part of Toronto. So let's have a look at the before and after photos, and you can see that they did an amazing job and the homeowner didn't even have to lift a finger. Thanks very much for watching this video. We'll be coming out with more content like this to help you with your project, so be sure to subscribe to this channel. And if you can click that like button, it would really help us out. If you don't already have a copy of our 2 free guides, the 8-point checklist and Legal Second Suites, a beginner's guide, hop on over to suiteeditions.com and download them right away to get started on creating better homes, building greater communities, and generating lasting wealth. We'll see you soon.